What's up guys, welcome back to another daily video here from 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to the channel. We hope you guys have already subscribed to our channel, and if you haven't already, make sure you do so and turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. We're going to be working on two different Tundras today. We're working on this 2019 Tundra 4x4 TRD Off-Road here, getting a Kings and Camburg setup with some lift shackles, body mount chop, and 35-inch tires. We're also going to be working on a 2016 Tundra TRD Pro that you're going to see shortly. And here's the Tundra TRD Pro on the factory Bilstein suspension. To retain this suspension, we will be adding a front lift shim on the suspension, along with some rear lift shackles to clear some 35s after we do a body mount chop. The TRD Pro Tundras came with the factory Bilstein suspension, opposed to the newer models coming with the Fox setup. As we put the vehicle up onto the lift, our tech is preparing to install the shackles by lowering down the spare tire. Our tech is seen doing a safety check here to make sure that the vehicle is staged properly onto the lift. Now that the vehicle is up in the air, our techs begin removing the factory wheels and tires to remove the stock TPMS system. "88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're interested in getting your Tundra worked on by us, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Give us a call anytime during regular business hours, or send us a message through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description. We started doing this recently because people were starting to say that they aren't getting responses to their emails. Sometimes emails get into our spam folder, and since we've been using the same sales email for over 15 years, you can only imagine how much spam we get. It's difficult for us to filter through them and know which one is a real email and which one is not. If you are one of those that didn't get a response to an email, we do apologize for that. Please check out our contact form by clicking on the link in the description now, and we will make sure to answer all of your sales inquiries. Our tech is seen here installing the rear lift shackle. The wheels on this one, we're going with the Method NVs. These are an 18x9 positive 25 offset in a 5x150 bolt pattern. They do come in a matte black finish that we're wrapping up in a BFGoodrich tire. These are the KO2s in a 35, 12.5, 18. All of this work is being performed on the black Tundra TRD Pro. The cement gray 2019 4x4 TRD Off-Road is getting a body mount chop. The front shims are installed above the top hat of the front strut. By doing so this way, we are not preloading the front springs, and it will not be an uncomfortable ride. That the BMC is complete on the cement gray Tundra, we are going in here to do the suspension setup now. Our BMC tech is going over to the black Tundra TRD Pro, and he's going to start chopping it up. TRD Off-Road models going with a set of Kings 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers and shocks on here. The fronts will be adjusted to about 3 inches of lift. It's also getting a Camburg tubular uniball upper control arm set up on here. The rears will be lifted with 2-inch lift shackles as well. For those that aren't familiar with what a body mount chop is, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a chop of the body mount. This process itself gives you about 1.5 inches of extra tire clearance. If you want to see a more detailed video of the process itself, click on one of the 2 links provided in the description below. The 2019 Cement Gray TRD Off-Road is going with a set of Field Vector wheels. These are an 18x9 with a 20 offset. Doing the same tire as we are on the other Tundra, the 35 12.5 18 BFGoodrich KO2. Here you can see our techs installing the front King's 2.5 Remote Reservoir Coilovers. Here's a closer look of the finished body mount chop. Suspension setup is complete here, and the wheels and tires are installed onto the vehicle. And here's the finished product. The TRD Off-Road is being pulled out for a quick test drive now. The video's not over yet, but if you guys have enjoyed it, please make sure to find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. We'd greatly appreciate that. Now that the body mount job is complete on this one, the wheels and tires are going to be put onto the vehicle and then brought down to the ground. Which setup do you guys like more, the black Tundra TRD Pro or the cement gray TRD Off-Road? Drop a comment down below and let us know. If you guys haven't followed us on Instagram yet, please make sure you do so. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We post on there daily and update our stories with specials all the time. So if you're looking to get some work done, that's a good place to see when we have some good specials. We always throw out specials when we have large amounts of inventory coming in, or sometimes just for the holidays, or sometimes just because. So you don't want to miss out on that. Check us out on Instagram once again at 88 Rotors Off-Road. I'm going to show you how this black Tundra TRD Pro looks cruising around, so enjoy it. But this is pretty much going to wrap it up here for today's Tundra video. We hope that you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell, share, comment, like, do all that good stuff that you YouTubers do. And we'd greatly appreciate that. And until next time guys, the next daily video, which is tomorrow, we hope to see you there. Until then, take care.